Hello everyone, welcome back to Webtech Tutorial. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to turn off notifications on Crunchyroll. So let's get started right away. Open up your Crunchyroll application and make sure that you're logged in with your account. Once you're inside the main home page, tap on the account button at the bottom right hand corner. Under My Account, scroll down and tap on Notification Settings. Now, you can go ahead and turn off general updates, content updates, promotional updates notification from these settings. Simply turn off all of the buttons for the type of notifications you don't want to receive and then leave it disabled, and then make sure that the toggle button is turned gray. Once you are done, you can get back and then continue using the service. That is how you can easily turn off notifications on Crunchyroll. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I'll see you again in the next video. Goodbye till then.